guys, since so many of us are stuck at home right now, I thought I would put some fun videos up on YouTube so you have some entertainment and things that you can do while you're at home. And so today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Zentangle. They are a lot of fun. You can just find some objects from around the house to trace your shapes. I used a square and I'll kind of walk you through it in just a second. You can do this on notebook paper, the back of some mail. You can do it really on anything. You can make a small one, a large one. You could use markers or pen or a pencil, really just whatever you have. So find you some paper and a pen or whatever you're gonna use, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get started. All right, so I've made this sheet of Zentangle design ideas, and at the end of the video, I will put this so you can like pause it on this if you kind of need some inspiration to help you get started. What you'll need for this project, you can use pencil. I'm also gonna use like a black pen to trace mine, but you could use an ink pen, just anything that you have around the house to draw with. You can also find something to trace a shape, like you could use like a can for a circle, or like I found this little pack of Post-it notes. I'm gonna use squares for mine, but you can use the bottom of a cup, just anything that you find around the house to trace shapes onto your paper. So that's gonna be our first step, is to trace, and we're gonna do some overlappings. And what I mean is, after I draw this square, then I'm gonna turn and lay this one like this, where it comes on top of this one, it overlaps. I'm gonna hold that still while I go all the way around. And then I'm just gonna keep doing that until I kind of fill the page with maybe like 8 to 10 of these. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna trace all of my pencil lines. Okay, so at this point, I'm ready to start like combining different shapes. My goal is gonna be to kind of combine two, like I might do some straight lines in one shape and then put like dotted lines in between. So I'm gonna kind of try to combine some of my ideas. And I'm also, anytime there's like a triangle created, this will be one design, this will be different design, that'll be a different design, that'll be different, and it'll look really neat when I've finished. And then like these spaces in the background, you could like color in a solid color or leave them white, or you could do designs there too. That's just kind of your artistic choice. I'm gonna speed up the video when I get started on this, but then at the end I'll kind of pause it and point out some of my favorite ones and how I created them. Okay, so for some of my favorite patterns, I thought this one turned out really cool. I just did like the rainbow, and then in every other row, I just did some little straight lines. This one's kind of cool and reminds me of like Van Gogh's Starry Night. So like your goal is to like create different new patterns. So I used a wavy line, then I used a dashed line inside of it and just followed the waves, and that created a pretty neat one. That one, all you do to create like a checkerboard, you know, lines going this way and then lines going up and down, and color in every other square. I also love the pattern with just different size circles connecting. This one was just triangles, but then I wanted it to be darker, so I filled in the background around the triangles. Another one that's fun is this one. It kind of looks like scales. The way that you do it is like you're drawing a row of hills, and then you start in the middle top of that hill and go to the middle top of the next hill to the middle of that hill, and you just continue going until it creates that pattern. And then I went back and added dots. That one is just one big spiral line, and notice like when you get to the next shape, just stop, but then pretend like it's under it, like it stops when you get there, and then you pick up and keep going and stop and pick up and keep going, and then you get that nice overlapping. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and now go and have fun making your own Zentangle. Challenge your son or your daughter, your brother or your sister to make one too. See who can come up with the best designs. You can hang them around the house while you're stuck at home. But I hope you have fun doing it, enjoy it. I would love to see what you make. You can share them here in the comments on YouTube. You can also find me on social media at Samantha Wood Art, and I am on both Instagram and Facebook. I would love to see what you make, so if you share it out there, please tag me. Thanks for watching.